Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. We're going to draw a sky from the popple chair. So you need some markers and you need a paper. And the name of the pupil shower is Art for Kids Hub. And I really like them. So now we're going to draw them. Let's go. Hi guys, let's start doing that.
Okay, let's draw a circle. This is a big circle for her head. I'm gonna draw really big. You want to draw a big circle for her head? Oh yes, I love how big you drew her head. Now we're gonna switch to our black marker. And we're gonna draw two circles. We're gonna draw one circle for one eye and another circle for another eye. And we can also color in her eyes. Do you want to do that? Two circles for her eyes. Yes, and another one. Oh, you want to color that in too? Another eye. Oh, you're doing awesome. And it's okay that our two drawings look different. I love yours. Yours is my favorite. And that's because the most important thing is
To have fun
and to practice. Yes. Okay, now let's draw her mouth. We're gonna draw a little smile right here under her eye. You draw a little smile. Yeah. Oh, I like that. It looks like her mouth is open. Okay, now let's draw her nose. And we're gonna use a dark brown. We're gonna draw a circle right here for her puppy nose. Oh, I'm gonna color it in too. You wanna draw a little circle right there? Good job. That's awesome. But now we're gonna use our pink marker. This is just pink, straight pink. And what are we gonna draw next on her head?
Goggles.
Yeah, goggles. That's because she likes to fly in airplanes and she has to put her goggles on so she can see where she's going.
Yeah.
First, we're gonna draw a line that goes over the top of her head. We'll start here and we're gonna go all the way around her head like that. Let's start right here, go over her head and then back down. Yes. You already know what you're doing. Let's draw a circle. I like that you draw circles. I'm gonna draw circles too. We're gonna do two ovals for her goggles and circles.
Yeah.
Also on the side of her goggles, she has these little straps. Come down and then back up. Down and back up. Do you want to do little straps for her goggles on the side of her head? Yeah, and then one over here too. What should we draw next?
Ears.
Yeah, her puppy ears. Let's draw big puppy ears. We'll draw one over here on the side, and we can draw one over here on the side. You want to draw puppy ears? Big puppy ears. Yeah. Man, ooh, that one's really big. I like that too. Okay, now we're gonna draw her body, and we're gonna come down here, and we're gonna draw two lines that come down. Draw one, two. Draw two lines coming down from her head to her body, and then we'll connect them. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna connect them too, down here at the bottom. What should we draw next?
Pink clothes.
Yeah, she needs her clothes. Let's draw. We're gonna draw a V. The letter V. We're gonna come down and back up on her body. Right down, up. And then we're gonna draw a circle right here for her dog tag. That's her little symbol right there on her neck. Yeah, good job. Let's switch back to our sandy tan. And we're gonna draw a line right down the middle of her body. This is for her legs. Right down the middle. Yeah. Oh yes, two legs. I like that too. And then we're gonna draw an upside down U for one of her paws. You wanna do an upside down U? One paw. And you could do another one for her other paw. I like sharing with you. We take turns with our markers, huh? So there's her other paw. So I got two just like you. Then we gotta draw four paws, right? Because she has feet on the back. We'll draw one over here, and we'll draw one over here. We'll draw two more paws on the side, and one on the other side. Ah, I love your sky. She's looking perfect. Okay, now what do we need to draw?
Tail.
A tail, yes. Let's draw like that. Go out and then back in. Olivia, we did it. We finished drawing Sky. You did such a great job. Except I think we should do one more thing.
Color it.
Yes, we need to color our drawings. Now, sometimes we fast forward this part, and sometimes we show you how we're going to color it. This time, I think we should fast forward because we're going to color it solid. So you guys can pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. You ready to fast forward the video?
Yes.
Let's do it.